Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and removing the ear cushion to expose the hinge screws. Use a PH00 and T5 screwdriver. Hold screws in a labeled tray so nothing gets lost. Pry the plastic cover with a spudger at the seam. Go slowly to avoid clips. Once the cover is off, inspect for broken plastic tabs and loose screws. Make sure to photograph orientation for reassembly. This saves time and prevents mistakes later when matching screw lengths and part placement. You now inspect the hinge assembly closely to find cracked plastic, stripped screws, or bent metal arms. If a plastic tab is broken, fit pieces dry first, then apply a thin superglue bead and clamp for 5–10 minutes. For load-bearing areas, use 2-part epoxy and let cure 24 hours. For stripped screw holes, pack wood toothpick shavings with glue or install a small brass insert to restore threads. If the metal arm is bent, carefully bend back using pliers while protecting plating with tape. You finish by reassembling in reverse order, putting each screw back where it belongs and tightening gently. Over-torque causes new failures. Once assembled, cycle the hinge slowly 10–20 times while listening for binding or creaks. Apply a tiny amount of silicone lubricant to pivot points if needed. If movement is smooth, reinstall cushions and perform an audio test. If the hinge still fails or stress fractures recur, replace the hinge assembly or order OEM parts. This is the reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.